Welcome back to this part of the exponential challenge. Yes, we want to go 10x, 100x. Now, Bitcoin actually just had a trend reversal on the daily time frame. The day's about to close, and something I'll teach you is that price action tends to be very volatile around the end of the day. You can get a backfill, continuation, and what I noticed here, I'm going to remove the drawings here and bring your attention to the first daily time frame. We just got a higher high, right? We're potentially going to close a bullish engulfing candle. That implies continuation. So that's good. We also have a W formation. We're closing above the middle wick. Now, if you're a retailer, you don't know this. Everybody else who's trading right now is watching this. So I've got to think about the opposite side. Where are all the stop losses going? All the people are going 100x leverage right now. And so where are those stop losses going to be? Well, the heat map does us a good favor here. Binance, the most traded volume. I usually start there, maybe work down to Bybit after that. But gives us a potential target as, I think we could get another pump here. And the reason I wanted to make the video is this has happened to me many times where you have your take profit right at the top of the range because that's where your normal take profit is. And a little trick I like to do is layering out the orders. So let's say your normal, you would take profit, all of it at this next level of liquidity. That's not why I was showing you this. First off, 15-minute time frame. That's what we're looking at, I believe. Yeah. And also I'm going all the way down. 1 minute time frame to show you guys this because believe it or not, it's a very helpful time frame. So after making a new all-time high, we are going into a bit of a consolidation at the end of the day on the shorter term time frames. A strong bounce comes to the 618 or the 786. We have not made it there yet, so definitely looking for that to get tagged. So maybe that's your normal target. So let's say, and I'm still looking to enter maybe another little bit of the position right here. Stops going below here, or maybe the last low. Maybe 50% of this wick, depending upon how I feel here in just a minute. But I'm going to add a TP at the 786, limit 50%. And that's going to be right at about, call it 65.5. And I can always adjust this like that. Okay, and then here I'm going to go 2020 just to see, risking 20% there to the downside. And that does give us room for one little flash wick down at the end of the day. What would that look like on the daily time frame? But here was my main point is a lot of times you'll have your take profit, right at the 1618. In this scenario, I'm looking for an explosive move and potentially a 4236 blow off at 69,787. Even if this consolidation doesn't immediately get us to that level, as long as we are above this level, the potential for that to happen is going to be in the cards. So I'm going to put the take profit up, right? Even though I'm selling 50% of my position right here, it leaves room for the market to continue going higher, and I move my stop loss to a break even. Gosh, I realized I'm just not looking at the camera. But hopefully this lovely cryptocurrency video adds to the value of your trading. And if you can, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next one because, you don't want to miss these simple tricks and tools. A parabolic blow off top. I'll give you an example. Chainlink, I was trading, same consolidation, daily range. It made a new all-time high, and I had my take profit right here, right? And I had been sweating a trade for a while. Long story short, hits my TP, hits the 4236 like 2 seconds later. Had I just layered out a little bit, I would have stacked up a few extra $5,000-$10,000 racks. So that's something over time experience. You're going to experience a 4236 blow off on a 15-minute time frame or a 1 minute time frame. And this is one of those times where the whole market has shifted. The daily time frame just made a higher high and a higher low. Excuse me. First, higher high. We got the high and the higher high. Boom, trend reversal on the daily. Don't fight the daily downtrend. And then on the weekly, right? Technically, this is going to be a higher low. If you're using a line chart, which I wonder, boom. No, it doesn't show you on a line chart. But based on a wick basis, right, this is going to be a higher low. So the candles is going to be the better one to look at. So, you know, in these type of situations, you're either going to get that ching, chang, chong pattern where we get wick back down to 47,000, or this is the trend reversal. And we get some volatility coming in and out of here. But, you know, that after the halving explosion up to the 1618 fib, after we break this range, I'd expect something like this. Again, this kind of price action only happens one time a year. And potentially, hey, where's the 4236 fib on the daily consolidation? Up at 125,000. So if this is the macro bull flag and we start to break out, this could be a, you know, once in a lifetime opportunity. Think about it. Bitcoin goes to $1 million in the next 10 years or $500,000 in the next 10 years. You will never see Bitcoin at $68,000 again. It is the fourth halving, the fourth turning, right? BRICS nations, all these people, the election coming, you know, crazy wars, cyber attacks, you name it, everything's going nuts. And if we get an explosive volatile move, well, look, that lines up with the 120 target there. That's the bull flag, as well as, you know, I'll throw you one more piece of edge here on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Let's see, on the weekly time frame, Mr. 9. So we got that trend reversal on the daily. It's also on the 5-day. Wow, looking good. It's also on the 5-day. This is not the chart I wanted. I wanted this one. On the weekly time frame. Do we got that hidden bullish divergence? Hidden bullish divergence. Yeah, 3 drives. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. 3 drives of hidden bullish divergence. I would count this as a low. I don't, you know, that is the macro low on the weekly time frame. So 3 higher lows in comparison to 3 lower lows in the RSI as we are regaining the exponential, guys. I think this is one of the maximum opportunity where your opportunity meets potential and where your skill starts to come in handy. I highly, highly recommend you grab yourself a Bitcoin, jump in, join, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. As what is my point here is we go off of the 4-drive philosophy, which is 4 lower lows, 4 higher lows. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4? Boom. Gets you a shot to the 1618 fib at a minimum. Coming in at $219 on Solana. $219 Solana. I guess we're looking at Solana. Let's make sure. Were we looking at Solana the whole time? We were? No. Nope. Bitcoin's over here. Well, it's the end of the day, guys. We're 5 o'clock. Price action is rocking and rolling. NASDAQ just put in a new high on the day, I believe. Yeah. New high for the day. And W incoming. All right. Bitcoin. Somebody's messing with my charts here because I don't see my Bitcoins. My corns are gone. I used to never know what they mean by corns. What the heck does corns? What are my corns? Where are my corns? They're talking about Bitcoin. I don't know. As long as it's digital gold, you can call it whatever you want, sir. All right, the day just closed. We did close above that wick. That's bullish. Backfill comes in to this area right here at 64,865. Are we going to tap the wick and continue on? We just tapped the massive liquidity right there. This keeps the hopium hoped for the bulls here. Hopium hoped for the bulls. And back to our final touches here. Day closed. Oh, this is what we're going for. So layering take profit 1 and then just not leaving this off the table at 69,372 or 69,225. 69,225, magical number, explosive parabolic move. Now, what are the chances that happens? Well, volatility's on the floor. We need to reject this bearish control zone right now very quickly. But as we said, a backfill is going to be likely, a very, very good backfill, which again brings us down to that 236 fib. Now that can bring us down a little bit further. The market's going to stay very bullish, right? Wicks down to 64,875, and then it's continuation. That's a bullish engulfing. And did we have volume? All right, that's the last piece of the puzzle here. Volume on that daily candle. Yes, volume just increased on that bullish engulfing. I got to go. I'm running out of time. I'm going to save this video. I'm going to put it out and let you guys digest it later. But that is where I say, hey, it's worth perhaps taking a little bit of long juice. I just wanted to follow up on CMEs. The daily volume did increase as well. All right, guys, have a blessed and highly favored rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.